Think of a performance that's bold, daring, and dripping with personality. A mix of humor, satire, and glamour that leaves the audience cheering for more. That's burlesque, a dazzling art form that's been turning heads for over a century. But what exactly is it? At its core, burlesque is about exaggeration and parody. It takes something familiar like a story, a character, or even societal norms and flips it on its head in a way that's funny, provocative, or just plain outrageous. It's part comedy, part performance art, and always unapologetically entertaining. Burlesque has two sides to its personality. On one hand, there is literary burlesque, which started in the 17th century. Think of it as the mocking cousin of serious literature. Writers would take noble stories like epic poems, tragedies, and rewrite them with absurd twists. For instance, Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock pokes fun at high society by turning a small incident, a stolen lock of hair, into a grand mock heroic tale. On the other hand, there is stage burlesque, the glitzy, glamorous cousin that's all about spectacle. This version emerged in the 19th century. Blending body humor, risky costumes, and playful teasing, performers would parody popular plays, operas, or social trends, often adding dance routines or musical numbers to keep the energy high. One of the most famous examples of stage burlesque came from the vaudeville era. Shows featured elaborate sets, clever wordplay, and performers who knew how to command attention. Over time, burlesque evolved into what many now associate with the term striptease acts combined with comedy and theatrical flair. But don't let the sparkly outfits fool you. Burlesque isn't just about shedding clothes. It's about storytelling, empowerment, and owning the stage with confidence. Why does burlesque captivate us? Because it breaks the rules, or at least bends them. In a world where we are told to be polite and follow conventions, burlesque says, why not do the opposite? It's rebellious, subversive, and celebrates individuality in all its forms. Whether it's mocking the elite, challenging gender roles, or simply making people laugh, burlesque thrives on pushing boundaries. So when you see feathers flying, corsets sparkling, or jokes landing with perfect timing, remember that burlesque isn't just entertainment. It's a celebration of creativity, rebellion, and joy. Because sometimes life needs a little more glitter and burlesque delivers it in spades.